students, today let us see about intermediate code generation. So intermediate code generation, the first topic is 3 address code. So 3 address code, it means that it is having 3 address. For example, I want to add A plus B. Plus is the binary operator, A is the first operand, B is the second operand. And the resultant value will be stored in the third operand. All these operands will be stored in the memory location. So we need one address for A, another address for B, and we need one address for a certain operand. So totally you have 3 address. Hence the name 3 address code. Now how to represent this in the memory? You have 3 different types of representation of 3 address code: triples, quadruples and indirect triples. In triples, in the form of the tabular column in the adjacent location, given the 3 address code instructions, we will be having for operand 1, operator and the resultant operand. So we are giving concentration to the right hand side part of the expression, hence it is triples. Okay. Next is quadruples. In the disadvantage of triple is the resultant value, we are using pointer we are accessing, but whereas in the compilation process it will lead to an error. So without the resultant value we will not be able to proceed to the next line. So we go for quadruples. So in quadruples we are even storing resultant operand. So you will be having resultant operand, operand 1, operand 2, then operator. So 4 fields are there. Hence it is quadruples. Now next is indirect triples. This indirect triples is just simply like your indirect addressing mode. If suppose you are not able to find the contiguous memory location, in that case you are not able to store all the resultant operand. What we will do is we will be finding a place in memory where all these resultant operands can be stored. Okay, so we are linking to some other location. So it is indirect triples. In indirect triples, you will be having only three locations: operand 1, operator and operand 2. Okay, why the name indirect is we are linking the resultant value to some other address location. Right? So in quadruples we will store the resultant value. In triples we will not store. In indirect triples you are using pointer concept and we are accessing the resultant value. So these are the 3 important parts of our 3 address code: triples, quadruples and indirect triples. Thank you, students.